Ichitang, read it first. Dozo.
はい。大学院で社
うん。
大学院で、社会学を勉強しています。
This one is Shakaibu. Shakaibu.
社会部。
Hi. Pero tama yung dalawa mo ha. Daigaku inde Shakaibu benkyou shite imasu. I am studying sociology at the graduate school. Shakaibu is sociology.
Bu?
Yeah. Shakai alone is
Shakai.
society. Oo. Gets? Shakai alone is society. Putting bu after it, that will give you a subject or a course. So, Shakai bu is sociology. Okay?
So yung gaku po is bu?
Bu. Hindi siya gaku. Hindi gaku ang basa sa kanya. Here.
Okay.
So that is bu. Okay? Johnny ba? So, desu ka?
会社は病院の右にあります。
Okay. So, madali ito. No? The company is on the right of the hospital. Tama? Byouin no migi ni arimasu. Sambang. Are we going to do this? Wow, ang galing, Rebel. Okay, fuyu wa?
Fuyu wa gakko no Fuyu wa gakko no shitsunai pool de oyogimasu.
Okay, perfect. Shitsunai means what? Shitsunai pool.
Indoor pool.
Indoor pool. Okay, shitsunai pool. Okay, yon bang?
駅の前に新しいアパートがあります。
Okay, this is easy. Go bang.
Okay.
Madali na yun. Okay, we can understand both. Go bang.
左右をよく見て道を渡りましょう。
Okay, yeah. Perfect. So, ano ibig sabihin? Let's cross
the
road.
Left and right.
So, you...
to look left and right.
Oo, parang, so let's look closely to left and right when we pass or cross the bridge or the road. Okay. Okay, number 6.
左の目が痛いから病院へ行きます。
Okay. Because
my left eye hurts. I went to the hospital.
Okay, very good. So I will go to the hospital. Nice. Number 7.
Nanbei ya Chubei kara Oko no ryugakusei ga ikimashita.
So what do you mean by ryugakusei?
International school?
Ryugakusei, international students.
International students.
So from South and Central America.
Central America.
Okay, good. And then 8.
店内にはいろいろな外国のものがあります。
Okay, so what do you mean by tennai?
Is it a store?
Yeah, so inside, kasi may night.
Inside the store, there's a lot of foreign items.
I'm sorry, foreign?
Foreign items.
Alright, very good. Or foreign goods.
Goods.
Ayan, yay! So wala kang mali?
Yung